Ugh, this is just impossible. How am I supposed to pursue my dreams when everything costs so much?
Hey, Emily. Everything okay? You look a bit intense.
Oh, hey, Paul. Just another day, another financial crisis. I wish I had more money. Then I could actually do what I love.
Sounds like something's really bothering you. What's up?
It's always something, isn't it? Rent, bills, then wanting to travel or learn a new skill. It just feels like there's never enough. The opportunities are out there, but my wallet isn't.
I hear you. That feeling of hitting a wall, it's tough. So you're feeling stuck because of money.
Exactly. It's like the world just isn't set up for people like me. Always feeling like I'm running on empty, even for the things that truly matter.
That's a really common feeling. Many people struggle with that. It often comes down to how we see our resources.
Resources. But what if there genuinely aren't enough?
That's a valid question. But it's also where things get really interesting.
Interesting? It mostly just feels frustrating.
What if shifting your viewpoint could reveal hidden opportunities?
You mean like suddenly finding a hidden treasure?
Not treasure, no. More like seeing what you already possess differently.
A different lens for my empty wallet and bills?
Precisely. It's about understanding the resources right in front of us.
I'm not sure I see how that helps my current situation.
Sometimes the biggest limitations are in our perception, Emily.
So you're saying it's all in my head?
Not entirely, but it's a huge part of the solution. Ready to explore that?
I guess so. But it feels so deep-seated, you know?
Tell me more about that feeling.
It's like I'm always chasing, always comparing myself to others. Someone gets a new car or goes on a fancy trip, and I just think, why not me?
So, a sense of being left behind.
Exactly. Or that I'm not good enough to earn those things. And then the worry starts. Am I saving enough? Will I ever get ahead?
The worry can be consuming.
Totally. It makes me afraid to spend, even on things I need. But then I also feel deprived, which makes me want to splurge. It's a vicious cycle.
A cycle of worry and deprivation.
Yeah, and it just keeps me stuck. Like there's this invisible wall preventing me from reaching my potential.
It sounds like a heavy burden, Emily.
It is. And it's not just money. It's time, energy. Everything feels limited.
So, a pervasive feeling of not having enough of anything crucial.
Precisely. Like I'm always playing catch-up, never truly thriving.
I understand that feeling well. It's a heavy weight to carry.
It really is. Like I'm just running in place.
What if I told you there's a different way to look at it?
A different way. How so?
It's a concept called tu duy giao có in Vietnamese, or abundance mindset in English.
Abundance. So, just thinking I have more money?
Not exactly. It's much broader than just financial wealth.
Oh. So what is it then?
It's a holistic way of viewing life, Emily. It's about perception.
My perception, you mean?
Precisely. It contrasts sharply with what you've been describing.
My always chasing feeling?
Yes, that's often a sign of a, quote, scarcity mindset.
A scarcity mindset. That sounds right.
It's characterized by fear, envy, and the feeling that there's never enough.
Sounds exactly like me. Always comparing, always worried.
It makes us see limitations everywhere.
And feel deprived, even if we have things.
Exactly. It creates that invisible wall you mentioned earlier.
So the abundance mindset is the opposite?
In essence, yes. It's about seeing opportunities, not just obstacles.
Opportunities. Even when my wallet feels empty.
It's about believing in growth and limitless possibilities.
Limitless? That feels like a huge leap from where I am.
It's also about a willingness to share and collaborate.
Share? even when I feel like I barely have enough for myself.
It's a fundamental shift from not enough to more than enough.
But how do you make that shift? It feels so ingrained.
It starts with recognizing the patterns of scarcity in your own thoughts.
And then just stop thinking that way?
It's a process of actively seeking out what you do have.
Like gratitude?
That's a big part of it. And seeing value beyond monetary terms.
So, my time, my skills, my connections, those are resources too?
Absolutely. And often, they're more valuable than money alone.
So, this abundance isn't just about having a lot of stuff.
It's about recognizing the richness of your life in all its forms.
That's a pretty big idea.
It truly is. It opens up new ways of thinking about your potential.
Like seeing a path where I only saw a dead end before?
Precisely. It reframes your entire outlook.
So it's not about magically having more money,
It's about changing the lens through which you view your world.
and how that changes what you can do.
Exactly. It's a powerful perspective shift.
I can see how that would be inspiring.
It's the first step to unlocking those hidden opportunities.
So, how does this abundance mindset actually look in real life?
Let's think about those moments you felt stuck, Emily. You wanted to learn new skills, but felt limited by money.
Yeah, like a photography course. So expensive.
That's scarcity. I can't do this because I don't have money.
Right. A dead end.
Now, your friend Leo. He wanted to learn photography too.
Oh, Leo. Always finding a way.
Instead of the expensive course, he started with free online tutorials
YouTube, I bet.
and borrowed a camera, joined a free local club.
So, he used what he had, not what he lacked.
Exactly. He saw the abundance of information and connections around him. He didn't wait for the perfect paid course.
And he learned. Got good.
That's abundance. Seeing resources everywhere.
So, my I can't afford it was scarcity. And Leo's how can I learn with what's available was abundance.
Precisely. One focuses on the wall, the other on the path around it.
It's so clear. I do that.
Common pattern. Another example,
Okay,
you wanted to travel but felt you didn't have the funds.
still do. My dream trip feels miles away,
Scarcity says, I can't travel because I don't have enough savings.
which is what I said.
But Sarah, she loves travel, tight budget.
Sarah, always going somewhere.
She looks for short, affordable trips instead of waiting for a big sum.
Weekend getaways?
Or exploring nearby towns, camping, house setting. She uses her network and creativity.
Finding travel in different forms.
Exactly. Redefining travel for her current resources.
Instead of I can't afford Hawaii, it's where can I explore right now?
That's the shift. Utilizing what you have, not lamenting what you don't.
So it's not about more money, but seeing more ways to use what I do have.
Precisely. Leveraging time, skills, connections.
That's powerful. Empowering.
It truly is. Moves you from helpless to resourceful.
So the problem isn't always lack of resources.
Often, it's the lens through which we view them.
And that's something I can change.
Absolutely. Starts with recognizing those scarcity patterns.
And that's something I can change.
Absolutely. Starts with recognizing those scarcity patterns.
So it's not just about finding more external resources then.
Not primarily, no. It's much deeper.
Deeper. What else is there?
It's about cultivating your internal landscape, Emily.
My mind, my skills?
Exactly. Personal growth and continuous development.
So becoming a better me?
Precisely. Focusing on learning, acquiring new skills, improving.
Like that photography course. But taking responsibility for learning.
Yes. Being proactive in your self-improvement journey.
not just waiting for opportunities.
creating them through your own effort and development.
That sounds empowering.
True wealth isn't just external acquisition, Emily.
Not just money?
It's rooted in internal development, your continuous improvement.
So the more I grow, the richer I become?
In a holistic sense, yes, your capabilities expand.
And that opens new possibilities.
Exactly. It's a profound journey of self-empowerment.
A journey where I'm driving.
You're the architect of your potential, Emily. You build it.
That's a powerful shift.
It moves you from a passive receiver to an active creator.
So becoming wealthy from within, not just having external wealth.
That's a perfect way to put it.
This feels like a whole new roadmap.
It's the foundational step for an abundance mindset in action.
So instead of focusing on what I lack,
You cultivate what you have within yourself.
learning, growing, taking action.
Precisely. That's where lasting value is created.
Learning, growing, taking action.
Precisely. That's where lasting value is created.
So how does gratitude fit into all this?
Excellent question, Emily. It's a cornerstone.
A cornerstone.
Yes. Gratitude helps you truly see that internal wealth.
Even when I'm feeling low?
Especially then. It's about acknowledging what you do have.
Like my skills and connections?
Exactly. And your health, your friends, your experiences.
All those things I often take for granted.
We all do. But actively appreciating them changes your outlook.
So it's a practice.
Definitely. It's not just a feeling, but an intentional act.
How does it help with the feeling of lack?
It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's present.
From scarcity to abundance,
Precisely. It brings peace and contentment.
regardless of my bank account?
Exactly. It cultivates an inner richness.
So I could still be struggling financially but feel rich?
Yes. Because your definition of rich expands beyond money.
That's a powerful idea
It helps you appreciate the journey, not just the destination.
and makes me less likely to compare myself to others.
Much less. You focus on your own blessings.
So it's a tool for happiness, not just wealth.
A profound tool for overall well-being.
I can see how that would inspire me.
It's about finding joy in the everyday.
And seeing opportunities everywhere.
Exactly. Your perception changes everything.
So it's really about my perspective, not just the external situation.
Precisely, Emily. An internal shift.
And that shift, it actually changes what I can do.
Absolutely. It opens up new avenues you might not have seen.
Like those hidden opportunities.
Exactly. They were always there, just obscured by the scarcity lens.
Wow. So I've been creating my own walls.
Unintentionally. But now you have tools to dismantle them.
So instead of feeling stuck, I can feel empowered.
That's the power of the abundance mindset.
It feels like I'm finally seeing a way forward.
You are. Recognizing your inherent potential.
My potential, not just my bank balance.
Exactly. Your skills, relationships, time, creativity.
Those are my seeds of abundance.
A perfect way to put it. Already within you.
So it's about nurturing them.
Yes, and actively utilizing them.
Like Leo with his photography. He just used what he had.
He did. Didn't wait for perfect conditions.
And Sarah, finding travel in her own backyard.
She redefined what travel meant.
This is huge, Paul. This changes everything.
It changes how you engage with challenges.
From I can't to how can I?
That's the essence.
I feel like a weight has been lifted.
That's the shift from scarcity to abundance.
So the next time I feel that worry,
You'll have a different framework.
and look for those internal resources first.
Always. Your most powerful assets.
Thank you, Paul. This is really eye-opening.
My pleasure, Emily. A journey worth taking.
You know what? I actually did something already.
Oh? Tell me.
That photography course I mentioned? I found a free beginners series on YouTube.
Fantastic. Taking action.
Yeah! And I borrowed my cousin's old camera.
Embracing those available resources. Just like Leo.
Exactly. It felt less like a huge obstacle and more like a solvable puzzle.
Shifting from scarcity to possibility.
And I also decided to start a gratitude journal.
That's a powerful tool, Emily.
Just writing down 3 things every day, even small ones.
Cultivating that internal richness.
It feels good, like I'm actually doing something.
You are. You're actively building your abundance.
Instead of just wishing things were different.
Precisely. That's the journey.
So this is what nurturing my seeds feels like.
It is. Small, consistent steps.
I'm excited to see where this goes.
And you're already seeing the impact, aren't you?
Definitely. It's a completely different energy. It really is. A much lighter one.
That's the power of conscious choice.
Choosing to see what's good, what's possible.
Exactly. You're nurturing your inner landscape.
My true wealth, then.
And where does that wealth truly reside, Emily?
Within me. My growth, my connections.
Precisely. That's the foundation.
So it's not about chasing external things anymore.
Not primarily. It's about building from within.
That feels so much more sustainable.
It is a journey of continuous self-discovery.
And a more peaceful one.
Absolutely. True abundance brings peace.
Thank you, Paul, for showing me this path.
My pleasure, Emily. You're already walking it.
So this is just the beginning.
Every day is a new opportunity to grow.
I feel ready for it.
I have no doubt you are.
To discover more of my own potential.
And create your own future.
My future, built from within.
That's the spirit of true abundance.